MEIP stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is MEI Pharma stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this stock trading space and even in this world that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all like this for 5 years, every single day straight. It's all on my YouTube channel. You can watch every single one of those videos. But MEI Pharma, I know it pumped up and all that good jazz, and typically I'm looking to double down on sort of a pumps, but even here, you know, I know it pumped, but it first must give me like a confirmation or something for me to count this as something that I'll be potentially buying. Like straight up, man, like here's this top, and if there is no double breaks above it, then I don't care, I'm not gonna buy. You know what I mean? So that's that. Here's my confirmation, and all I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be met. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, just click the first link in the description, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.